So I put apples, blueberries, and strawberry inside this little plate, and I put millet seeds on top of it. And this is the first time they're eating fruits. Yeah, I think you like it. Yeah. Because they weren't eating it, just I would try to give them strawberry by itself, apple by itself, blueberry, nothing. They wouldn't eat it. And now they're eating it. Yeah, you like fruit. I think once they taste the sweetness, they'll like it. Yeah. They're getting all excited with this fruit. Uh-oh, it's the sugar. They got a natural sugar high. Yeah.